AWS went offline yesterday and we're seeing some weird indexing problems today. And I've had a few people reach out to me, so I thought I'll shoot an awareness video and show you what I'm talking about. So if you look at a particular search, you got to do this in incognito in Chrome, by the way, or you can't replicate this. But basically, here is the user experience. Take any ASIN that you have and type in a single keyword like artisan. So I've got my soaps here. Product shows up. You'd think, you know, that might be a good thing, right? And then we see use fewer keywords or try these instead. This is a phrase we don't like to see, and we know that because Ecom Crew has an article out, very famous article, where it says, however, if instead says use fewer keywords on this or try these instead, it's not indexed by Amazon. So that's a challenge that we're seeing, and a few people, when AWS went down and some sales struggles right now, we're wondering if there is some indexing problems. This could be a temporary issue or it could be a very serious one. I'm not sure at this stage, but it's curious right now. I was able to test a few additional things. I tested typing my ASIN plus soap, and I did not trigger that saying. But I tried other various words. So I did the artisan one. I did trigger that saying. And I do know that my product ranks for artisan men's soap and a bunch of other things. And we also know tools like Helium 10 are often delayed 48 hours up to in some instances. So if your sales are down right now, it could have just been that AWS crashed and everybody's suffering the consequences of the half the internet going down on 6/13/23, or it could still be causing some consequences. I'm not sure at this stage, but let me know what you guys think. If you are an indexing expert and have some opinions on this, leave me a comment down below. You never know what other people will say. The person that brought this to my attention first spoke to me 2 years ago on a different topic of similar importance. So I always like to listen to what you guys have to say and act on it accordingly. So if you want me to shoot a video on a topic you think we need to get some awareness on it, I'll follow this indexing issue and let you guys know what I see. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guide.